Hi, I'm Lori Meehan from Team Medlio. Our solution empowers healthcare providers to meaningfully engage with patients as partners in their care. With Medlio, Cerner clients can attest to patient engagement provisions under Meaningful Use Stage 3, MACRA, and other programs to improve engagement and outcomes, all while improving reimbursement. Using the provider portal, Cerner clients can invite patients to access their health data via FHIR APIs, send and receive secure messages, and receive and accept patient-generated health data into the EHR. This is the patient smartphone application, which is available on both Android and iOS devices. From the home screen, once a patient has created an account, they can enter Records menu, for example, in the upper left corner. The Records uses View, Download, Transmit functionality to interact with the EHR and access health data information through the use of FHIR APIs. Patients will see all of their medical information in a menu format and can tap into any of the menu items. So I'll tap into medications and I'll see all of the medications that are part of the medical record. If I tap into one of the medications, I can see all the information about the medication, including where it came from, downloaded from Duke Health, and the FHIR source data. I can tap into the FHIR source data and see that. I can also access my data from additional providers by tapping the plus in the upper right-hand corner. I'll type in, let me search for the provider, select the provider, and then I'll receive that OAuth screen. And I'll go ahead and enter the credentials, Wilma _ smart. And I'll sign in. So then I'll receive the patient consent, which I'll authorize. And then the data should take about a minute to download. So I can navigate away from here, and once the data is downloaded, I'll get an alert notification. Okay, so now that the data has been retrieved, I'll go back into my records, and now I can see the information coming from the Cerner sandbox. So let me tap into one of the medications, and again, I can see the information about the medication, and I can see the FHIR source data. I'll tap into that, and I can see that information as well. In addition, I can aggregate all my insurance information. So if I tap into Cigna, the health insurance information, I can see my real-time benefits information. And I can see my deductible, my out-of-pocket maximum, and my coinsurance. If I go to my providers, I can see all of my favorited doctors. Tapping into one of the provider profiles, I can do things like share records, message, see office hours, etc. So I'm going to message my provider. I'll tap on the message icon, and I can send a message. And in the provider portal, my doctor can see the text messages and quickly respond. And I'll receive that in the Medlio app. And going back to the provider profile, I can tap on the share information icon, and that's going to send my medical records information, all of my patient-generated information, as well as my insurance information. I'll tap submit, and that has sent the information to my provider. And back in the provider portal, my doctor can see my information and download it and receive my information in a form format that can be easily sent back to the EHR. And that's it. Thanks for taking the time to have a look at Medlio. We're honored to be able to share our app with you.